Hi, welcome to Vidyarthi Mitra YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about the first chapter in 10th mathematics, that is arithmetic progression. Okay, ಇನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವೋ ಅವರು ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ನ ಒತ್ತೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪಡೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ in the arithmetic progression. Okay, yeah, which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? Okay, ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಆಗಿದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. Okay, we know that what is arithmetic progression? We are adding a fixed number to the preceding number, that is the common difference. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ common difference same ಇದ್ರೆ, okay, if two common differences are same, then we say that the situation is AP ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Okay, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ first find the common differences. Okay, yeah. In that, the first question is the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is ₹15 for the first kilometer and ₹8 for each additional kilometer ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, yeah, listen here. Here, point A, point B is there. Okay, in this way, for first kilometer, the cost is ₹15. The cost is ₹15. Okay. Only for first kilometer the cost is ₹15. Then for next kilometers the cost is ₹8. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ₹15. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುವಂತ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ₹88 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಯಾ, ಲಿಸನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಯಾ, ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೇ ಗಿವನ್? Cost for first kilometer, that is ₹15. Then cost for each additional kilometer, that is ₹8. Okay, yeah. Here which is the AP here? Means series ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. First find the series. Okay, yeah. The given cost for first kilometer is ₹15. Then cost for second kilometer. Okay, yeah. For first kilometer ₹15. For second kilometer, okay, means second kilometer ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 15 plus 18. 15 plus 18 is 23. Okay, then next one is the cost for third kilometer. Okay, yeah, the cost for third kilometer for this. Okay, the cost for third kilometer ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. This is 15 plus 8 is 23. Already we know that is 23 plus 8. 23 plus 8 is 31. Okay, therefore the series is for first kilometer the cost is 15, for second kilometer the cost is 23, then for third kilometer the cost is 31, and so on. Okay, the next step is finding the D. Okay, yeah, D equal to, we know that D is A2 minus A1. Okay, A2 minus A1. Okay, here A2 is 23 minus A1 is 15. Okay, 23 minus 15 is 8. So that D equal to 8. Then next, again find the under D. We know that A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. Next one here, A3 minus A2. Okay, A3 minus A2. Here A3 is 31 minus A2 is 23. Okay, so that 31 minus 23 is 8. So that here D equal to 8. Here listen here D is 8 and here also D is 8. So that the common differences are same. Therefore CDs are, means common differences are same. Therefore it is an AP means the following situation is in AP. Okay. Next question. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Okay. Yeah, very important. That is, the vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder. Cylinder ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಏರ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 1/4 ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, the vacuum pump removes the air. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ listen here, consider the cylinder. Okay, yeah, consider one cylinder. Here it has a vacuum pump. Okay, yeah, and we know that the cylinder is filled with the air. Okay, yeah, listen here. What is the initial amount of air present in the air? We don't know. Okay, but listen here. It is a very easiest concept. Here they given 1/4. The denominator is 4. Okay, so that the initial amount of air present in the cylinder is 16. 4 4s are 16. 16 liters of air present in the cylinder. Okay, for example, 1/5 ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, 5 5s are 25, ಅಥವಾ take the multiples of 5. Here 4 is there na. Okay, take the multiple of 4, that may be 40 also. Okay, what are ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ for easy calculation? 4 4s are 16, so that the 16 liters of air present in the cylinder. Okay, yeah. Solution. Initial amount of air present in a cylinder equal to 16 liters. Okay, here vacuum pump removes 1/4 of air remaining in the cylinder. Okay, yeah. The next here, air removed by pump in first case. Air removed by the pump in the first case. Okay, we know that the pump removes 1/4 of remaining air. Okay, remaining air. Yeah, listen here. In first case, how much amount of air present in the cylinder? That is 16 liters. Okay, so that 1/4 of means multiplication the remaining air in a cylinder in initial case, that is 16. Okay, 4 1s are 4, 4s are. Okay, 1 4s are 4. So that in first case the pump removes 4 liters of air. Okay, therefore air present in cylinder after first removal. Okay, yeah, first removal ಎಷ್ಟು ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಯೂಮ್ ಪಂಪ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಪ್ಪ, 4 liters. Okay, ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು, 16 liters. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 4 liter of air is removed by the pump. So that after first removal the air present in the cylinder is 16 minus 4 is 12 liters. Okay, then next, air removed by pump in second case. It is also 1/4 of remaining air. Okay, yeah, 1/4 of means multiplication remaining air. Now the remaining air is 12 liters. Okay, 4 1s are 4, 3s are 1 into 3 is 3 liters. In second case it removes 3 liters of air from 12 liters. Yeah, so that therefore air present in cylinder after second removal, equal to, okay, yeah, the initial amount is 12 liters, it removes 3 liters, so that 12 minus 3 is 9 liters, okay, so that after second removal the air present in cylinder is 9 liters, okay. Therefore the series is, okay, initial amount is 16 liters, okay, after first removal the air present in the cylinder is 12 liters, then after second removal that is 9 liters, and so on, okay. It is our series. So let find the common difference, D equal to A2 minus A1, okay. Here A2 is 12 minus A1 is 16, 12 minus 16 is minus 4, so that D equal to minus 4. Therefore again find the other D, okay. D here A3 minus A2, okay. A3 is 9 minus A2 is 12, okay. 9 minus 12 is minus 3, okay. Here D is minus 3, okay. Now listen here D is minus 4, but here D is minus 3, so that therefore common differences are not same, therefore it is not an AP, okay. Clear? Yeah. Next question is the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter, okay. Yeah, listen here, a well is there, okay, a well is there. Here for first meter digging the cost is rupees 150, okay. For first meter of digging the cost is rupees 150, okay. Then for second meter and for third meter and fourth meter the cost is rises by rupees 50, okay. Now first question ಹೇಗೆ solve ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೇನೆ, okay. Listen here, means for only first meter of digging the cost is rupees 150. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೋ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 50 rupees ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಓಕೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ 50 rupees, ಓಕೆ. ಯಾ, ನೋಡುವ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಓಕೆ. ವಾಟ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ digging for first meter, that is rupees 150, okay. Then cost of digging for each additional meter is rupees 50, okay. Yeah, therefore cost for first meter is rupees 150, therefore cost for second meter of digging, that is, yeah, for first meter 150, for second meter 150 plus 50, 150 plus 50 is 200. Then cost for third meter of digging, okay. Third meter means second plus third, okay. Second one is 200 plus third one is 50, 200 plus 50 is 250, okay. Therefore the series is, okay, the series is the first one is 150, second one is 200, and third one is 250, and so on, okay. Then next find the common difference, okay. Here D equal to A2 minus A1, A2 is 200, okay. D is A2 minus A1, Okay, here A2 is 200 minus A1 is 150. So that 200 minus 150 is 50. Okay, so that here D is 50. Then find under D. D equal to A3 minus A2. Okay, here A3 is 250 minus A2 is 200. 250 minus 200 is 50. Okay, here also the D is 50. Therefore common differences are same. Common differences are same. Therefore it is an AP. Yeah. Next question. The amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at a compound interest at 8% per annum. Okay, very important one. Okay, here the word is the amount of money. Okay, here amount ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ for compound interest ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ ಅವರು. Okay, here the deposited amount is 10,000 at a compound interest at 8% per annum. Okay, yeah, listen here, solution. Okay, yeah, solution. For compound interest, amount equal to P into bracket of 1 plus R divided by 100 power T. Okay, where P is principal amount and rate, R is rate of interest and T is time or the duration. Okay, here P is principal amount means it is a deposited amount. Okay, so that here P equal to the principal amount or the deposited amount, that is the deposited amount is 10,000. Okay, and R is rate of interest. Okay, the rate of interest is 8%. Okay, then T is time. For first year time is 1. Okay, for second year T equal to 2. For third year T equal to 3. For 10th year T equal to 10, like this. Okay, therefore amount for first year, okay, that is P into bracket of 1 plus R divided by 100 power T. Okay, here P is 10,000 into 1 plus R is 8 divided by 100 power T. For first year the time equal to 1. Okay, then 10,000 into bracket 100 into 1 is 100 plus 8 divided by 100. Okay, power 1 means itself. Okay, then now 10,000, here bracket means multiplication. 100 plus 8 is 108 divided by 100. 00 get cancels, so that 100 into 108. 100 into 108 is 10,800. So that the amount for first year is 10,800. Okay, then next amount for second year. Okay, same formula, that is P into bracket of 1 plus R divided by 100 power T. Okay, the principal amount is 10,000 into 1 plus R is 8 divided by 100 power T. For second year T equal to 2. Okay, then 10,000 into LCM, 100 into 1 is 100 plus 8 divided by 100 power is 2. So that 10,000 into 100 plus 8 is 108 divided by 100 power 2. Okay, then 10,000, here power 2 means it is multiplied by 2 times. So that 108 divided by 100 into 108 divided by 100. 00 and this double zero, it cancels. Here left one is 1 into 108 into 108. Okay, if you simplify this, we get 11,664. So that the amount for the second year is 11,664 rupees. Okay, then same, therefore amount for third year. Okay, that is also the same formula, that is P into, okay, P is 10,000, okay, into 1 plus R is 8 divided by 100 power T. For third year, T equal to 3. Okay, so that here the amount equal to 10,000 into 100 into 1 is 100 plus 8 divided by 100 power is 3. So that 10,000 into 100 plus 8 is 108 divided by 100 power is 3. So that 10,000, here power 3 means it is multiplied by 3 times. 108 divided by 100 into 108 divided by 100 into 108 divided by 100. Okay, so that here double zero it cancels. The left one is 1 into 108 into 108 into 108 divided by 100. Okay, if you simplify this, we get 1259712 divided by 100. Okay, then here in denominator 2 zeros are there. Okay, so that 1259712, in denominator 2 zeros are there, so that put a point after 2 digits. Okay, so that the amount for the third year is 12597.12 rupees. Okay, yeah, therefore series is for first year the amount is 10,800. For second year the amount is 11,664. For third year the amount is 12597.12, so on. Okay, yeah, this is our series. Then next step is finding a common difference. Okay, finding a common difference. Yeah, here common difference, B equal to A2 minus A1. Okay, in this series A2 is 11,664 minus A1 is 10,800. Okay, if you subtract this, we get 864. Okay, so that here the common difference is 864. Then again find the other D, that is A3 minus A2. Here the A3 is 12597.12 minus A2 is 11,664. Then we get 933.12. Okay, here D is this much. Listen here D is 864, but here D is this much. Okay, therefore common differences are not same. Common differences are not same. If common differences are not same means definitely it is not a AP. Therefore it is not an AP. Okay, yeah. Second question, that is write first 4 terms of the AP when the first term A and common difference D are given. Okay, here they given the first term, that is A, and they given the common difference. Find the first 4 terms. The first 4 terms means A, A2, A3 and A4. Okay, already they given the first term A. Okay, we know that A2 equal to, from the standard form of the AP, A2 equal to A plus D. Okay, and A3 equal to A plus 2D, and A4 equal to A plus 3D. Okay, and also here a10 equal to a plus 9d, okay, and a20 equal to a plus 19d, okay, and also a100 equal to a plus 99d, like this, okay. 20 ಇದೆ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ 19 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, okay, remember point 2, okay. Yeah, here the first question, that is they given the a equal to 10 and d equal to 10, so that here the first term a equal to 10, okay, and a2 equal to, we know that is a plus d, okay. Here a is 10 plus d is also 10, 10 plus 10 is 20, okay, so that a2 equal to 20. Then now the a3 is a plus, the preceding one is 2, that is 2d. A is 10 plus 2d means 2 into d anta artha, okay, so that 2d 2 into d is 10, so that this equal to 10 plus 2 into 10 is 20, okay, 10 plus 20 is 30, so that a3 equal to 30. Then the a4 equal to a plus 3d, okay. Here a equal to 10 plus 3d means 3 into d is also 10, so that 10 plus 3 tens are 30, so that 10 plus 30 is 40, so that a4 equal to 40, okay. Yeah, then second question, okay. Second question is a equal to -2 and d equal to 0, okay. Here they given a equal to -2 and the second term, that is a2 equal to a plus d, okay. Here a is -2 plus d is 0, okay. -2 plus 0 is -2, okay, so that a2 equal to -2. Then a3 is a plus 2d, okay. A is -2 plus 2 into d is 0, so that -2 plus 2 into 0 is 0, -2 plus 0 is -2, okay. Then find a4, okay, it is for homework. Then third question is a equal to 4, okay, the first term is 4. Then second term a2 equal to a plus 2d, okay. A is 4 plus 2 into d is -3, okay. Wherever the numbers are in a minus, please keep them in a bracket, okay. Bracket means multiplication. 4 plus into minus 2 3s are 6, 4 minus 6 is -2. Then a3 is a plus 3d, okay. A is 4 plus 3 into d is -3, okay. minus ಇದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ, okay. So that 4 plus into minus 3 3s are 9, 4 minus 9 is -5, so that a3 is -5, okay. a2 is -2 and a3 is -5, okay. And a4, okay, it is for homework. Then fourth question, a equal to -1 and d equal to 1/2, so that the first term is 1 -1 and second term a2 equal to a plus d, okay. Here a value is -1 plus d value is 1/2, okay. Take the LCM. 2 into -1 is -2 plus 1 divided by 2, okay. So that -2 plus 1 is -1/2, so that the second term is -1/2, and the third term, that is a3 a plus 2d. A is minus 1 plus 2 into d. D value is 1 by 2. 2 ones are, it cancels. Okay, here minus 1 plus 1 into 1 is 1, minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So that the third term is 0. And the fourth term, that is a plus 3d. A is minus 1 plus 3 into d. D value is 1 by 2. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. here ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, so that minus 1 plus 3 ones are 3 divided by 2. Okay, then take the LCM. That equal to 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus 3 divided by 2. Okay, minus 2 plus 3 is 1 by 2. So that the fourth term is 1 by 2. Yeah. Fifth question, that is a equal to minus 1.25 and d equal to minus 0.25. Okay, they given the first term, that is a equal to minus 1.25 and a2 equal to, we know that is a plus d. Okay, here where a value is minus 1.25 plus d value is minus 0.25. Please keep the negative numbers are in bracket. Okay, then minus 1.25 plus into minus 0.25. Okay, here both are in negative form, so that add them, that is minus 1.50. So that the a2 value is minus 1.50. Then a3 equal to, we know that is a plus 2d. Okay, here a value is minus 1.25 plus 2 into d value is minus 0.25. So that minus 1.25 plus into minus is minus 2 into 0.25 is, that is 0.50. So that here both are in negative, so that add them, that is minus 1.75. So that a3 equal to minus 1.7. Then a4 equal to a plus 3d. Okay, here a is minus 1.25 plus 3 into d. D is minus 0.25. Okay, minus 1.25 plus into minus is minus 3 into 0.25 is 0.75. So that both are negative, add them, that is minus 2.0. So that d equal to minus